Hello my friends, and welcome to another video. I have another template for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Okay, I finally found some time to make something. In this video I will show you how to make the orange and how to link nodes using expressions. Now let's do this. First, you will take the background, you will take the merge and connect them. And background is on the yellow arrow, so use this as a background. Now arrange tools to the grid and line up all tools to the grid to make it nicer. Click on this background and here in the image we will change this 1000 to 1000. But first uncheck auto resolution. Like that. Now copy this background and paste it. We will change the color to orange. Something like this. Like that. And connect to the merge. Take the ellipse. Like this. And this ellipse we will click on this height and expression. Now drag this plus to the width like this, and now they are linked. Perfect circle. And we will change this to 0.9. Now we will take another merge. This merge we will connect to this background like this. Drag it a little bit. Take this background and copy and paste here. Connect to the merge. And now here we will make a polygon. Just drag and drop. Connect to the background. And now you can start making small dots. Now click here. Like that. And zoom in a little bit. Hold Control and drag. Drag something like this. Click on another one. Like this. This one, the last one. Like this. And you cannot see it because we didn't change the color. Need to make it a little bit darker. Like this. And all you have to do now is take this polygon, Control C to copy, and drag it all the way up, like that. Click on this polygon again and Control V to copy. Now with the selected second one, drag the mouse and select, and now you can drag and take it everywhere where you want. Alright, now we have some basic shape of the orange with some small dots. For this demonstration, I will not waste time on these polygons, but you get the idea. Select this and drag it a little bit further and take another merge here. Connect to the green arrow like that. And we will take another background right here. Connect to the merge and this background we will change the color to green dark green, something like this. And we will take another polygon and connect to the background. Now we will make this polygon right here and make the star. Something like this. And make it nice shape. I'm not very good artist. And this is the basic shape of the orange. What we will do now is click on this background here, this is the first, and pin it with this pin. Just click here and on the in this image height will be use the expression and connect to the width like this and leave it like that. Now click on the another background, go on this image again, expression, link to the width and leave it like that. Now I will show you the example. When you click on this background here and you drag, others are not moving. So every individual background you have to resize. So what we're gonna do here is when we click on this expression here, this width expression, we will drag and this plus all the way to the width to the other node at the other background. And we will do the same for the second one. Click on this image again, height, expression, connect to the width, this width, expression, and drag and drop to the width of the first background. What we got here, now when I enlarge this one, all the other nodes are getting bigger and smaller. And this is how you connect other nodes using expression. Very simple and very useful. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. Please share this video because it helps the channel. If you have some questions or ideas, you can comment under the video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.